Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to restart your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro. First of all, just press power button and volume up button together. Just press power button and volume up button simultaneously, and power off menu will appear here. From this white circle, just swipe up and your phone will be restarting. Just wait. So to have power off menu, what you have to do is press power button and volume up button together. Okay, press and hold these two buttons, then you will have the power off menu. There you have to swipe up, that is from the white circle swipe up, and phone will be restarting. Okay, it is now restarting. Just wait. Logo appears and color OS loading. Just wait. Yes, phone is restarted now. In this way, you can easily restart your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.